So, hello. I don't know, guys, but I just want to have this video right now because I had a difficulty a while ago. My Excel was corrupt. Actually, it was, I was just working on an Excel on a report, and there was a blue screen. Then I let it run, and I waited, and when it restarted, I checked my file, and my file was like this. So wait, so my file was turned like this. It actually went to 0 KB. 0. I tried to copy and paste it here, but it's still the same. It's 0. I tried to put it in desktop, but it's still 0. I tried to research online, use the tech community, Microsoft, any solutions there. So I researched, and it doesn't fix my problem. It is an MS Excel workbook. So I also tried to repair corrupted workbook, tried looking for the macro codes in a module sheet and everything in here, and also in YouTube. I tried everything, but it doesn't work. And I tried and I tried for an hour. Fortunately, I didn't give up. So actually, this file is in my folder, and it's also automatically uploaded in OneDrive. So that's the good thing with it, because it's automatically uploaded in OneDrive. Because when I try to right click on it and look in the properties, because that's usually what we do with our corrupted files, and search for the previous versions, but there's none. So also there are times that when we open the Excel and there is a file that are auto recovered, and there's none. I also looked in the folder for the recovered Excel data. So there's none. It's only an XLB file that was recovered, or that was in the recovered folder for the Excel. And I almost lose my hope, and but I not give up. So, and I did not when I get stressed with this data, and it's very important data for my report, and it's a whole year, and I don't want to type it all over again. So I just stayed calm and think positive of what will happen, or any solutions. So yeah, it is not found there, or probably I wasn't able to research on the proper code or the proper keyword that it was in OneDrive. So I just right click in here, and yeah, there's an option for OneDrive. There's so many options to actually recover a corrupt file. It depends. But this one, there's an option for OneDrive because it automatically sync to my OneDrive. So that's a good thing with able to work in OneDrive. Able to sync those files automatically. So I click here, and I click, there's an option to check on the version history. My gosh. I was looking for an hour almost. An hour and a half, and it's a waste of time. But there's an option here to click on the version history. So I click on here, and version histories of the data that was, or the files that was uploaded online. So it's a good thing that I sync it. I've been doing the syncing for years now, and I didn't know that I can recover data like this, because I haven't experienced this corruption this Excel corruption. So I just want to share with you guys so that you will know in the future as well on how to be able to solve this kind of errors. So make sure that you are going to sync your file in your drive or any drive that you have, or any application that you have. So in this case, it's OneDrive. So there's a lot of application to sync your files. And of course, as you can see, it's 0 bytes. It's an hour ago. I've been researching for the how to fix it manually, or yeah, available online on how to search that error, because the error was, I think, when you open this one, this no data, the error was the file format or file extension is not valid. So we have to verify the file has not been corrupted and that the file extension matches the format of the files. No matter what you do with that, there's nothing I can do with that, and I'm not an expert with that, macro codes or VBAs. So I just have to use the easiest way, my OneDrive, the version history, and open the most recent version that I have. So I'll just have to download this or restore. I'll just have to download. Then voila. Here you go. You can download it here. Hey. Sorry about that. This is the one that I tested a while ago. So this is the one that we just have done now. Open the file and everything is fixed. Ugh. So worried. I was silently worried. I did not freak out because I know that there's gonna be a solution for that. And thank God I know this. So yeah, it's actually a 500 rows, and I cannot afford to record everything again from scratch. So yeah, that's all. I just want to share that with you guys, that it's possible when you always use your backup drive to sync it all the time, so that in case of any file corruption, you can easily restore your data or download your data, the version that you want to download. So that's it.